Hello everyone, Sam here from ForexMagicWave.com, making this video Thursday morning. So I want to recap for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday this week, what we were expecting and what happened on the basis of what. So let's get started. This is the pound index chart that I've made since we were all the way on the top here, and since then it's dropping. I said this is where we're gonna go probably to make it like a harmonic pattern, and then I did wave count as well, but forget about that for now. Like I say, you see, it's mentioned here Elliott wave, right? If you can understand, this is one or A, two or B, and then we're going down, way down for 3 or C. Out of that, 1, 2 are in place, and we are going for a third wave to the downside, which is going to be very powerful, and it's supposed to be. It proved to be a very powerful since then. So this chart, we were here, and today what happened? We are here from all the way there. 3 weeks in a row, we're still dropping powerfully, and especially this week, starting Monday, pound start getting very weak, right? And all pound pairs start dropping, except of course euro pound. Pound is on the right hand side, so that pair goes up. So let's get started and see how pound pairs did and how we did. So on Monday, pound really got weak, and this is where I started my setups from Magic ID system. Start taking entries. This was pound Aussie. One of the first entry. Pound Aussie is the one who gave me most trades, a lot of entries. Again, you know, cash, close, cash in, and then get in again, cash in again, entry, cash, you know, something like that. So you're gonna see it. So this is the one of them, and then a little bit down here, second entry from a second account, and then been playing with a different account. Then you have another one here, which is supposed to be third entry, not second, but you know, that's how it is. After a big drop, and then it retrace, and then again drop, right? And then retrace, and then again drop one more time, very big drop all the way down to, that was the third entry here, went all the way down to 110 pip. Okay, so there were like 3 big trades. And then same pound, all pound pairs, pound CAD drop big time, and but here I didn't have any entry, but got the entry here, and then we got, this is 29, this is 26, this is last Friday, okay, and this is Monday, it's early Monday we got in. And similarly here you can see pound yen, right? Monday started here, the first entry got knocked out, second entry gone all the way down, third entry all the way down. These are you know, the pound, all pound pairs. Now pound Aussie, you can see that there was another, the first a little late entry, but yes, still, right? And then drop here gave me another entry. I got an entry here again, and closed this one, but I let this one go, and this will end up like this all the way down. Okay, and let's see. After that, pound USD, no trade here because it was already dropping. Finally it gave me an entry up here, and then it all the way to the downside for more than 100 pip. So these are all pound trades on Monday based on this chart, right, which ended up as of today is here. We have a little more room to go, and hopefully it's gonna go. Let's see, today Thursday is a big moving day. So after Monday, Tuesday, obviously a very tiring day, right, for everyone. So Tuesday nothing happened whatsoever. We rested, I rested at least. And then Wednesday, today on July 31st, few trades, but not pound trades, other trades. USD was getting strong, so Aussie USD to the downside. I had this one also, I already posted on my website. It was all as it is coming down, but I retraced a little bit, beautiful entry, and today again it went down. Same thing today, New Zealand USD, I had this trade as well. It is also posted on my website. Live trade like I'm showing here, it was here, you can see it, and then this is here, and then the reason that I have the trade on, so that you can see that, you know, it is exactly right after the proper setup. I'm not just randomly shorting trades. It has to have a setup, and then once you apply the rules and follow the rules and stick by the rules, and you make entry from here, maybe here, all of these entries, you can see that they never get SL never got taken out. Even this one was my trade, right? So beautiful system, beautiful entry system, and it give you perfect entries. And I do my analysis on a weekly chart, and I know where those pairs are going, just like I showed you pound Aussie. I mean here, pound index, I make all the indexes: USD index, pound index, CAD index, franc index, Aussie index, yen index, New Zealand index chart, where these individual currencies are going, as well as I have made weekly charts and monthly charts like this of all the pairs, where exactly they're supposed to go and what are the possibilities. If the news come out good, where will they go? And if the news come out bad, where will they go? So we do all the analysis ahead of time, and then we watch around the news. Then once the news break out, what happened, which way the pair is going, and as soon as it start moving, we jump in that direction. And obviously, if the news come out bad and the pair is dropping, then we're not going to see entries above this red line, bullish entries, but the pair will drop, and we will see some bearish entries, and we start taking them. Simple as that. So this is today's again July 31st. Because of USD was getting strong, 4 pairs will go down, 3 pairs will go up. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New Zealand USD will go down. Out of that, Aussie USD and New Zealand USD short I did, and the rest of the 3 pairs were the USD on the left hand side, like USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen. I had all 3 towards upside. This is USD CAD trade, right, and the 31st, and this is USD franc. Bounced from here, came into the wave, gave a nice entry, and then there's another entry as well, but you don't need to take out. And USD yen, I had the trade, but I closed it without saving the chart, so I don't have to show anything to show from there. But all 3, I didn't do Pound USD or Euro USD today. Okay, only Aussie USD and New USD to the downside. But there are few trades running still which are not closed, so when they close, I'm going to show you. So far, so very, very good week, and it's based on my previous analysis and this system. This system always give you, look, if we already decided that the franc is gonna get weaker, or USD, the news came out and USD started getting strong, so USD on the left hand side, and obviously this is gonna push the pair to the upside, and it cannot give you short entries at all. If it is above these MAs, there has to be a long entries, and then when this indicates all the way down, and then you have an entry, red candle turns into blue, we make an entry, and those entries like from here, they never come down. They never, SL never hit, and even this SL is always 15 pip. Remember, this entry system requires that you open a trade here and you place an SL right behind this low, which is altogether 15 pip. So very low risk, very high return. That's how it is. So I'm gonna close it now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, you want to get the system, and learn how to take these entries and how to trade like this, go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe today. And if you have any difficulty, I even come on the Skype and talk to you and set up all the charts and everything. I'll give you all the EAs and indicators and all that. Okay, you will get an EA which will beep when the setup is about to getting ready. So you have to start watching the chart, and then next few minutes or maybe an hour or so, you will see the setup kicking in or not kicking in. Right? If it's not working out, you're safe, and if it's working out, you will see the candle turning, and then you make an entry, put the SL, get away from there, and then after a few hours you see if your SL hit or you are 60, 50, 70, 80 pip positive, and 90% of the time you are positive. And this is how it is. So be my guest, go on my website, take a look, all the previous week after week after week after week, all the trades, weekly trades are there. I posted it, and all of them are there for you to look at, and my before charts, before and after, how I do it, my analysis. So like I said, if you want to be a part of it, go ahead and subscribe, and let's do it. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Not week, trading week. It's not a weekend and it's not started yet. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.